Fantastic artificial flowers can be used in so many ways. Let's see the quality on these. Here's how they come. Slightly squished up, not too bad. Let's undo these close up. Now this is the purple set, and I do love that these can come in a variety of colors so you can pick what's best for you. They come pretty unsquished, really nice from the start, but you can certainly shape them as you want. And they do hold the shape that you put them in. And the bottoms have the plastic base that you can hook the tip into. I really love the detail on this one. And these look so real to me, really quite pretty. More of a rose style with the stamen and pollen inside. Again, really lovely. I'm not doing anything. This is how they're coming out of the box. Now this one could use a little squishing up, so I am gonna round it out a little bit here just by squeezing. And you can definitely move around some of these leaves. They're very sturdy. They feel like a kind of silky plastic, but they do have some ability to be shaped and still look quite natural. Another one that could use a little squishing, but then comes together quite beautifully. And you do get 2 of these. And then we have some larger wildflowers. So pretty, and thanks to their durability, there's so many things you can do with these. And once you get down to here, you have a lot more little pieces of greenery, some eucalyptus-like leaves, different smaller flowers. There really is so much that comes in this box. But what I'm trying to get to are your stakes. It also comes with this massive stick of glue. Each of these is metal, easy to shape, and really easy to just attach the flowers onto. So you can make a bouquet or have some sort of base to adhere this to something else. And it does come with one large plastic stem that you can attach items to, but it's very easy to add anything you want to it. So you can really mix it up or keep it simple, depending on what you're going for. And then you even have additional decorative pieces that are just wired, so you can put them wherever you want. And finally, it comes with some twine to tie it all together. Now, of course, there's an art to throwing this all together, but right now I just stuck this together. I haven't done anything, and it already has such beautiful potential. Really lovely set.